Hi friends, how are you? In this video we are going to learn about the iodine metabolism. Iodide take-up is the first and crucial step in thyroid hormone synthesis. Which uptake? Iodide uptake. Iodide. About 500 micrograms of iodine is ingested daily in the food, which is converted to iodide and absorbed from gastrointestinal tract. How much amount of iodide is ingested daily through food? 500 micrograms. Iodine 500 micrograms of iodine is ingested daily in the food. It is converted to iodide and absorbed from gastrointestinal tract. Ingested iodine binds with albumin and unbound iodine is mainly excreted in urine. Iodine binds with what? Iodine binds with albumin. However, daily ingestion of 150 micrograms of iodine in an adult maintains normal thyroid function. The normal plasma concentration of iodide is 0.3 microgram per deciliter. Thyroid gland is the principal organ that take up iodine to form thyroid hormone. How much amount of daily ingestion of iodine maintains normal thyroid function in adults? It is 150 micrograms. What is the normal plasma concentration of iodine? 0.3 micrograms per deciliter. What is the principal organ that take up iodine to form thyroid hormone? That is thyroid gland. Normally about 120 micrograms of iodide is taken up by the thyroid gland per day for thyroid hormone synthesis. How much amount of iodide is taken up by the thyroid gland for the synthesis of thyroid hormone synthesis? It is about 120 micrograms daily. Kidney is the principal organ that excretes iodide in the urine. What is the principal organ that excretes iodide in the urine? Iodide. Kidney. Kidney is the principal organ that excretes iodide in the urine. The thyroid gland secretes 80 micrograms of iodine in the form of T3 and T4 and 40 micrograms of iodine directly into extracellular fluid per day. How much amount of iodide is secreted from thyroid gland in the form of T3 and T4? How much amount of iodide is secreted in the form of T3 and T4 from thyroid glands? It is 80 micrograms. How much amount of iodide is directly secreted into the extracellular fluid per day? 40 micrograms. 40 micrograms of iodine directly secreted into the extracellular fluid per day. T3 and T4 are primarily metabolized in liver. Daily liver releases about 60 micrograms of iodine into the extracellular fluid and 20 micrograms of iodine into the bile, which is excreted in stools. Where T3 and T4 are primarily metabolized. Where T3 and T4 primarily metabolized. These are metabolized primarily in liver. How much amount of iodine is excreted that releases into the extracellular fluid? How much amount of iodine is released? How much amount of iodine is released into extracellular fluid? It is 60 grams of iodine is released into the extracellular fluid. How much amount of iodine is released into bile? 20 micrograms of iodine is released into bile, which is excreted in stools. On average, 480 micrograms of iodine is excreted in the urine and 20 micrograms is excreted in the stools. Almost 480 micrograms of iodine is excreted in the urine of total ingestion iodine. 20 micrograms is excreted in the stools. Iodine deficiency is prevalent in developing countries and in mountain regions all over the world. When iodine intake is less than 50 micrograms per day, thyroid hormone synthesis decreases. The consequent increase in thyroid stimulating hormone results in goiter, hypothyroidism and cretinism. How much less amount of iodine intake causes thyroid hormone synthesis decrease or deficiency? If iodine intake is less than 50 microgram per day, thyroid hormone synthesis decreases. And what is causes? If thyroid hormone synthesis decreases, it causes the increase in thyroid hormone, thyroid stimulating hormone. It increases thyroid stimulating hormone increases. It causes the disorders like goiter, hypothyroidism and cretinism. It mainly occurs in developing countries and in mountain regions all over the world. In next video, we are going to learn about the thyroid hormone synthesis. If you need any particular topic, comment me. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.